Herzlich willkommen bei der großen Europapremiere hier im Berliner Zoopalast von die Tribute von Panem, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. First of all, I love Berlin.
I was staying like right down the street a year ago filming this movie.
This is wild, I can't believe I'm here.
It's making me very nostalgic.
I think we're all just really happy to be back where we called home a year ago.
Es gehört zu einer der großen Jugendfranchises der Welt und insofern freuen wir uns besonders, dass wir jetzt den neuen Film als das Prequel haben.
It's not just a rehash, it's a really fresh take, it's a really unique, brand new tone. I mean, we're telling a very different kind of story.
It's a chance to see kind of your most beloved characters and learn about why the Hunger Games are how they are.
Ich bin Lucky Flickerman, allererster Moderator der Hungerspiele.
They can expect the Hunger Games that they know and love, but to see the origin of it.
It's an incredibly entertaining movie with insane performances.
You could know nothing about the franchise and still come in and I hope get hooked.
Es ist visuell faszinierend, in der Geschichte faszinierend und es ist ein Spektakel, für das man wirklich ins Kino gehen muss.